Hi, it's Mr. Fletcher here. We're going to be doing expanding triple brackets today. So here's example 1 then. So you know the way I like to expand brackets, so we need some boxes, don't we? So what we're going to do is we're going to do this in 2 parts. We're going to do the first 2 brackets and then we're going to get the result and multiply it by the 3rd bracket. Okay, so first 2 brackets, here we go. So we're multiplying x plus 1, x plus 2. So x times x is x squared, x times positive 2 is 2x, positive 1 times x is just x, and positive 1, positive 2 multiplied together is positive 2. Do not add them, okay? Always remember that what we're trying to do here is multiply. Okay, so we got to this point where we're going to collect like terms, so we can collect the x's on their own there, right? So x squared, so we've got x squared, that's the most important term. The next most important term are the x's on their own, so that's 3x's, so positive 3x's, and just a positive 2 there, so it looks like a quadratic. Then we're going to take that and we are going to multiply it by our 3rd bracket. Okay, so we've got x squared plus 3x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. So x times x squared is x cubed, positive 3, lots of x squareds are 3x squared, x times 3x is 3x squared, positive 3 times 3x is 9x, x times positive 2 is 2x, positive 3 times positive 2 plus 6. So don't be thinking to add those, you've always got to remember what we're doing here is we are multiplying with this. So we've got to collect our like terms now. So we can collect the x squares together, so to put a bit of a sock around those. And we can collect our x's on their own together. So the final answer is going to be x cubed. 3x and 3x gives me 6x squareds there. 9x's and 2x's, 11x's, and 6 on its own, and we're done. So we're on to example 2 now. So again, we're going to multiply our first 2 brackets out, so we need some boxes, don't we? So let's get some boxes. So I'm going to be multiplying x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. X times x is just x squared. Positive 2 times x is 2x. X times minus 2 is minus 2 lots of x. Positive 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So you've always got to remember at that point, really, we are multiplying here, okay? So we need to collect like terms. So we can collect up the x's on their own. Okay, so I'll put a bit of a sock around those. And so the most important term here is the x squared. Then we've got positive 2x take away 2x. So that's going to give me no x's. Okay, they cancel out. And then we're going to be left with a minus 4. Okay, so it's an interesting one because what we're left there is a difference of 2 squares. So a quadratic with the middle bit missing. So then we take that information forward, multiply it by a 3rd bracket. So we've got x squared take away 4 is carried forward, and our 3rd bracket was x add 5. Okay, let's make sure we know that we're adding now. X times x squared is x cubed. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. 5 lots of x squared is just 5x squared. Positive 5 times negative 4 is minus 20, okay? So normally at this point we'd collect like terms, but there's only one lot of x cubed, there's only one lot of x squared, there's only one lot of x's on their own, there's one lot of numbers on their own, so there's nothing to collect there. So we've got all the things we need. So the answer is x cubed. That's the most important term. The next most important term is 5x squared. The next one is just the x's on their own. And then the last one is numbers on their own. And we're done. Example 3, final example then. So we've got our 3 brackets, need to multiply the first 2 together, so let's get ourselves some boxes. So we've got x minus 2, x minus 3, and we need to multiply those together, so let's just remind ourselves we're multiplying. So x times x is x squared, minus 2 lots of x is minus 2x, x times minus 3 is minus 3x, and negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6, negative times negative is positive. So we just need to collect up the like terms. So here we've got some x's on their own we can collect up. So most important terms x squared. Then I've got minus 2x, take away another 3x, that's going to give me minus 5x, and then just the plus 6. Okay, so we're going to carry that forward. So a load of boxes now. So we carry our answer forward up to here, so that's x squared, take away 5x, add 6, and our third bracket was x, add 5. So just remember we're multiplying. X times x squared is x cubed, 5 lots of x squared is 5x squared, x times negative 5x is negative 5x squared, positive 5 lots of negative 5x is going to be negative 25x, x times positive 6 is just 6x, positive 5 times positive 6 plus 30. So we just need to collect up our like terms, don't we? So we've got x squared, so let's bring together the x squareds, put a sock around those. And then we've got x's on their own, we can kind of bring those together, put a sock around those. So the most important term is the x cubed. The next most important term is the x squared, so we've got positive 5 lots of x squareds, take away 5x squareds, there's no x squareds, they've gone away. Negative 25x add 6 is going to be negative 19x, and then the plus 30, and we're done.